Dear OAS aspirants, the Odisha Civil Service exam is a dream for many OAS aspirants just like you. The first is to qualify the preliminary stage. Aspirants, you need to prepare well ahead of the time before your OAS Prelims 2021 exam. If you dream of becoming an OAS officer, then this video is just for you. Majority of the OAS aspirants have the same mindset, that is, the preliminary stage is the most difficult stage in the entire process. And that's because the qualifying ratio of this exam is less. We have observed many aspirants go unprepared or their preparation is not up to the mark, due to which they could not qualify the exam. But at the same time, we have also observed many aspirants who prepared well, practiced the mock test series and cracked the exam at the very first attempt. To crack the OAS prelims, we need to understand the question pattern of the prelims and prepare accordingly. You need to train yourself of how to solve the MCQ question both for General Studies Paper 1 and Paper 2. You need to go through the relevant subjects as per the syllabus. We know there are many challenges while preparing for OAS Prelims 2021. That is, how to prepare, when to prepare, how to study and what not. But don't worry. We are here to guide you out to give you an edge in the preliminary preparation for qualifying your exam. Our teachers have years of experience in training and mentoring the aspirants and have qualified under their able guidance. Let's help you to crack OAS Prelims 2021 with our comprehensive step-by-step guidance and dedicated mentoring. The flagship program, that is OAS Prelims Edge or PRELIMS, is a one-step destination for prelims preparation. This will make you ready and organize your preparation. Our Prelim Edge includes everything that you need to clear the preliminary exam. Prelim-specific online classes will give you the entire prelims online syllabus. Our top faculties having years of experience will deliver high-quality exam-specific online classes that are right for you. This will help you understand that the subjects and its concepts. You will also learn how to apply those concepts in your exam. Exclusive preliminary specific subject-wise study material and current affairs magazine will certainly give you all the answers that you need during the exam. We have also proved that our mentorship guidance is a must for all the people, those who have taken this course under our duration. Practicing mock test is the key to success. Our mock test as per our OPSC prelims pattern will help you to identify your weaknesses and significantly improve your preparation. And the best part is one-on-one personal guidance. Never feel alone. Whenever you need us, we are there to help you out. And guess what? You will get all the flexibility to watch the classes from your comfort at your home. The OAS toppers will also guide you by sharing success tips. Ray Academy's Prelim Edge course is the only one course you need to crack the prelims exam. We believe in you. We know you can do it. All you need is the most affordable and quality course, that is Ray Academy's Prelim Edge course. So what are you waiting for? Already 200 plus students have trusted us. We have limited seats. Contact us and join now. Thank you.